Yeah, I think there's still a place for, TVs and GoPros and golf bags and whatever else, right? Like, I do believe there is still a place for this, and it's kind of fun but I would actually use it not as a closing tool, but much as our way of saying thank you for purchasing. So always an appreciation gift, right? But I let the customer choose what the appreciation gift was, right? The way it sounds, though, and the way it's presented is entirely different instead of me saying, hey, buy this car and I'll give you a GoPro. Sorry, I buy a $30,000 car and you give me a $250 camera? Okay, yeah, sign me up. That sounds amazing, right? Or I buy a car, I buy a $30,000 car and you give me a $300 55-inch TV. Holy crap! Where do these deals exist, right? It's a lot different when you approach when you present it that way versus when you present it as our way of saying thank you for purchasing. We have your choice; you can choose. All right. If you want, we can do $250 in accessories, or our way of saying thank you. You can take home the 55-inch TV. All right. However you want it. It's entirely different though, but you can still present it during it. As, hey, when you guys purchase, as just one of the cool programs that we have here, we have these great appreciation gifts. But it's a thank you for purchase. You have to purchase to get the thing. I just thought it was funny because I had a dealership the other day that was telling me that they're going to give away 55-inch TVs with purchase. And I said, yeah, no. Like, it just doesn't, no one's showing up to your dealership to buy a $40,000 car because they're going to get a 55-inch TV. So it's all about approach. Because I'll tell you what, is that what will happen if you do it that way. So let's say a purchase car and get a 55-inch TV, all right? Well, no one will ever talk about the TV again, ever, all right? Oh, yeah, we got that TV when we bought the car, right? Now, flip it the other way. I'll say, oh, yeah, you know what? Actually, they gave us that gift as their way of saying thank you. It was a thank you gift, actually, from the dealership.